Good morning, eighth graders. Happy Wednesday. Obviously, I'm not here. I mentioned that to you on Monday, but this small change of plans of what you're going to be doing. I originally told you that you're going to be doing a computer assignment on your Chromebooks, looking up engineering info. But because yesterday's class wasn't doing that, in addition to I want your Chromebooks to be charged and ready to go for MCA testing, we're not going to do that assignment. So you're going to be watching a movie, watching The Sandlot. That's going to be the main thing you do, but I also want to go over a couple options and just expectations while you watch the movie. So, conversation. It should be at a whisper. Don't ruin it for the people who are actually watching the movie. So, conversations across tables or from one side of the room to the other should not be happening. If you need help, raise your hand. The activity is mainly watching the movie. Again, no Chromebooks, just because we're going to save those for MCA testing. I'll have coloring sheets up front if you want to do that. You can be on your phone, however, do not take pictures or videos in the class. Even if your friends are okay with it, do not take the videos. And obviously, if you have other homework or something you want to read, that would be another option for you. The movement. Before the movie starts, you have the opportunity to go sit with a friend of yours, move before the movie begins, and then stay there. We're not going to be moving around back and forth throughout the movie, and avoid having big groups. So just sit with one or two friends and then stay there. Participate, just show your character. Just because there's a movie and not much actual academic expectations right now, still take care of business and be respectful. And then I'll see you on Friday.